Hello, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW A70 and Samsung Smart TV. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, let's enter YouTube app and make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi. Then find the video you would like to cast. Enter it. And tap this button on the top of the screen. Select your TV. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.